Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. So guys, in this video I will show you how to enable .NET Framework 4.8. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the steps are really simple. So let's proceed with the step 1. The step 1 is click on this search bar and here search for control panel. Okay, now just click on this programs, and after that you will find this turn windows features on or off. Just click on this. Now you will see a dialog box. So this is a dialog box. Okay, now here search and locate .NET Framework 4.8 advanced services. This is this one. You need to just click on this checkbox. Okay, after that just click on OK. Okay, so after that it will search for the required files, and it will apply the changes and complete the requested changes. So the final step is just click on close. Okay, and the last step is restart your system after applying the changes. So this is how you can easily enable your .NET Framework 4.8. So if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments below. So I hope this video will help you. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from Software Group. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.